Hi everyone, welcome back. Steven here. Today we are talking about the ZYLiWoo Solar Outdoor Lantern. It's a great lantern option and no wiring required. Let's go ahead and see what you get. This outdoor lantern comes tabletop ready as well as hanging ready. So it's even got the hook there for you to be able to hang this one up if you choose. It's perfect for patios, porches, backyards, balconies, and as I mentioned, tabletops. Each lantern has a flameless LED candle. There you can see a little peek at it inside, which creates that cozy, inviting ambiance without a fire hazard. These have high efficiency solar panels, so they actually require less charging than the number of hours of light that they put out. So 6 to 8 hours of sunlight gives you about 8 to 12 hours of automatic nighttime lighting. There's a simple switch at the bottom that enables that. These are crafted with a durable glass lampshade that beautifully diffuses the warm candlelight, enhancing the vintage lantern aesthetic indoors and outdoors. It's equipped with that sturdy hanging hook I mentioned, and so they can be suspended from walls, shepherd hooks, fences, or just simply placed on a flat surface like I use it next to my waterfall here. I'm going to show you what this looks like during the daytime, and then we'll show you what it looks like at night. Now you've got a nice contrast of the daytime and nighttime presentation of this solar lamp. Hopefully this video helps you make a good decision about whether this lamp is right for you. As always, I appreciate you for tuning into my videos. Please don't forget to hit that like button. Bye.